I think that the idea of having women in motorsport is kind of is a little bit old-fashioned, because at today we have a lot of women involved in motorsport. It's not easy, it's just a matter of organization, because I have also a private life home, I am a mom, I have married a rider, so all together doesn't make the life, let's say, super simple, but it's the life that I wanted, and I'm very, very happy to do what I'm doing. To answer to the question what a team director does, is not simple to explain everything. I do from the big things, like a contract with the sponsor, contract with the rider, contract with the team people, till the little things, make sure that everybody is perfect every day. We are, let's say, a Moto2 team, but we try to run it like a MotoGP team. We get to live a very special life. We travel around the world, we get to know many people, we can work with people from different countries, it means many cultures together. It's not only pink, it means also being away from home for a long time. But I would say that you have the adrenaline, the race, everything help you to always being very motivated.